think back to when you were first introduced to Health Science Academy, and maybe think back to like when you were in elementary and middle school. Tell us a little bit about your experiences and your journey from maybe pre-K all the way to today.
So I'm pretty sure like the pre-K and elementary school for Health Science Academy has been a more recent thing, but I do remember back to my middle school experience. It was a little bit difficult because this when COVID had started around March during my 6th grade year.
Right.
So we didn't really get to do much of the health science activities up until 8th grade when we were finally able to go back in person.
Full time, yeah.
Yes. And I believe around this time it was mandatory to take CTE courses. I had a lot of fun doing these. I remember, I think the dissecting is what really got me into the Health Science Academy, and then also like the pinning ceremony. Like, I think it gets the kids like very involved, especially, I mean, it got me involved because it's like, you know, at this age, like you can't really, what are you going to tell your parents? Like, there's really nothing to, how do I explain it, that you can show them. But with Health Science Academy, you're able to like, this is an achievement, you know? Like, you're like, hey, I made it, like, I'm an ambassador.
So obviously, you know, one of the big aspects of HSA is our partnership with Atrium,
yeah.
right? Right now we're in Atrium in downtown Monroe. Talk a little bit about your experiences working alongside Atrium staff. How has that been?
It's been great. I've had the opportunity to do this apprenticeship at the here at the Monroe Hospital. I work pretty good with my coworkers, and I think they're pretty nice. Everybody's very friendly. I haven't had any issues. I think Atrium really hires good people, I will say. And with the apprenticeship, I feel like it's helping me, like it's something I could put like on a resume. And the classes overall, the learning about the human body is what I think really interested me.
Yeah.
Because it's like I'm learning about myself, and you know, everybody, and it's just like we all have something that's a bit different, but like, yeah, we're all the same. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, first of all, I really believe in the power of what I call partnerships, right? Public school systems and business partners working together. I think an example like this is really, it solves two challenges we have for school systems like UCPS. It helps us with workforce development and gives kids like you really a reason to want to come to school, right? To be engaged, to enjoy learning, and to be very clear on what your possible pathway could be after high school. And then for Atrium, it's a win for them because they need workforce. They need a diversified workforce. They need kids coming out of high school and college that really know what they're doing. So I think it gives our students a leg up and really a competitive advantage when you're job searching, whether it's when you're 18 and graduating, or when you're graduating from college, or when you're graduating from med school.
Yeah.
So let's think about your future, right? One of the really impressive parts that I've learned about you is that you are going to the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill, right, for pre-med.
Yeah.
So talk to me a little bit about your decision and reason for applying to Carolina, and how do you think your experiences with HSA helped position you for a pretty big scholarship there, right?
Yeah, so initially I was planning to go to Wingate because I'm in Wakefind, so I was like, I think, guys, like this might be my only option, like, but I was like, you know, it doesn't hurt applying anywhere else, so I applied and I got in. I was really excited, right?
So even going into high school, sorry to cut you off,
Yeah.
Wayfind, right, which is our college readiness program that if you're selected for this, you get a guaranteed full ride, right,
Yeah.
to Wingate University. So you already had that option. So why pursue the option for Chapel Hill?
It's a good school, and they have a school of medicine, and they're more likely to pick you if you're initially from their school. So I was like, I think this betters my chances at getting into med school.